using Quizlet to aid in studying. Go to Quizlet.com, click sign up. Once you've signed up, you can log in with your credentials. You can find any study sets that you've already created, or you can create more. Let's create a study set. Give it a name. And now we can make some flashcards. I can put the term on one side and a definition on the other. We can add audio. We can add images. And it actually searched the internet for RJ45. And I'll select one of these images. I could upload my own as well, or I could perform more of a search here. But let's go ahead and put that in there. And I'll tell it, yes, it's English. And this is also English. And I'll put in one more question. Going to click picture. And here is a mesh topology. And let's go ahead and click create. And I could share this information, but I'm not going to share it for right now. I'm going to click close. And these are the types of ways that I could learn. Let's start with flashcards. And here is the question. I'll click the flip, and there's the answer. I'll click next, and there's the answer, and so on. And that was flashcards. Let's look at the other options we have up here. I'll click back to networking 2, and instead of flashcards, let's try test. That one was a fill in the blank. This one made a multiple choice for me because I typed in several options. Well, it actually created it for me. It made a fill in the blank, it made a multiple choice, and it made a true false for me automatically. I'll click check answers, and it shows me which ones I got correct. Let's go back, and it keeps track of my last score. Let's play a game this time. I'll try scatter. So once I get it right, it disappears. So let's click start game. And what is the most common network adapter? It would be the RJ45. And notice when I match them, they disappear, and I'm working against a timer. And this is mesh topology. And this is unicast type of communication. And then it has a time here, and I could play again and try to beat my time. Another game we have is gravity. I'll click get started. Let's start with easy. And we can start with the term or the definition. I'll go at random. And let's go. And since this was easy, it's a little slower. I need to type the answer in before it hits the ground. A unicast. And I can share. And here is the email link, or here is the URL link that I can share with others. I'm going to copy this and open a new web page and paste the link. And here's what others will see. They can see the question and answer here, and then they could choose flashcards, learn, etc. Let's go back to my page. We can also import. Instead of typing everything in per question per answer, import, and I can paste my data. And notice that there needs to be some type of delimitation between my question and answer. It can be a tab, a comma, or some type of custom punctuation. And I also need something between each row. So I'm going to go into Word. Here's my question, and I'll fix this so a comma comes after the question, and then the answer comes after the comma. And there needs to be a line break between each question. So for next question, here's the question, and the answer is B. And we'll do one more. Question, comma, and answer. I'm going to copy these. Of course, you can do a lot more than 3. And I'll enter this in. I need to change this to comma. And notice what it did. It saw that this was 3 different questions, and it recognized that after the comma is the answer. And actually what happened here, there was an extra comma. So let me see if I can delete that. See, okay, and it fixed it for me. So there's the question, and here is the answer. So I can go ahead and click import. I'll just call this one networking 3. And I'll click create. They want me to select the language. I'll choose English for the terms and English for the definitions. And create. And here is a link I can share. And once again, I could use flashcards. or one of the games or the test.